the select statement. Now we will see the method of displaying records using the select statement, and we will see the method of displaying records in ascending and descending order. In SQL Server, we can use the order by clause to retrieve records in ascending and descending order. The default order of an order by is ascending. To display or order output in the descending order, the keyword DESC has to be appended to the order by clause. And in order to display our output in ascending order, the keyword ASC should be appended to the order by clause. Let's see how to do this. Have a look at this statement. Select name, age from student details, order by, age. Here we have given the order by clause without specifying the order, so it displays the result in ascending order. Take a look at this statement. Here we have specified the descending order in the order by clause, so this statement displays the age in descending order. Now we will see how to use two orders in the same statement. In SQL Server, we can do this. For example, using the students table, if we want to order all students by sex, and within sex we want to order by age in descending order, we can type the query like this. This query produces the output like this. Here you can see the ordered list of student names. Filtering rows from a table. We can use the select statement with the where clause. The where clause is used to filter the rows in the output result set. When the where clause is used, the SQL Server database engine selects only the rows which meet the conditions listed in the where clause. Here is the general syntax of a select statement with a where clause. Select column names from table where condition. Here we can specify the conditions to filter rows from the table. Take a look at this statement. Select asterisk from student where sex equals F. Here we have specified the where clause to check the condition, so this statement displays the details of all female students, because in the where clause the sex attribute has been assigned a value of F. We can assign the where clause with several comparison operators in any one on this list. Greater than, not equal, equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We can also use the where clause in a query in addition to the order by clause. Here we will see that. Take a look at this statement. In this statement, we have given the select statement to select columns, student name, and age from the student table, where the age of the student is less than or equal to 5, ordered by age. Let's execute this statement. This query produces the output like this. In this lesson, we have seen how to include only one condition in your where clause. If you want to include multiple conditions in a where clause, we can use logical operators like and, or, between, and not between. In the next lesson, we will see this briefly. Operators in the where clause. Now we will see how to use operators in a where clause. Let's start with the operator AND. This operator is used in the where clause to combine more than one condition. Using AND, we can restrict the output of rows. Let's see this practically. Look at this query. If we execute this statement, the statement produces the output of all the columns in the student table, but only the rows where the value of the age attribute is less than or equal to 5, and the sex is female. Here, AND means that both the criteria age less than or equal to 5, and sex equals F have to be met for the row to be included in the result set. Next, we will see the OR operator in the where clause. The OR operator is like the AND operator to combine conditions in a where clause. Unlike the AND operator, the OR operator selects the rows if select asterisk from student, where age is greater than 20 or sex equals F. If we execute this statement, the output list contains all students who are either greater than 20 years of age or female. The OR means that either of the criteria, age greater than 20 or sex equals F, has to be met for the row to be included in the output. Now we will see the between operator. The between operator is used to combine conditions in a where clause. In SQL Server 2005, the between operator allows us to determine whether a value falls within a given range of values. The general syntax of the between operator is select from where between value 1 and value 2. In this syntax, the between operator checks whether the condition is between the values from value 1 to value 2. For example, if we want to find all students between the ages of 13 and 25, we would type the query like this. Select name, age, from student, where age between 13 and 25. This query displays the names of all the students between the ages of 13 and 25. Next we will see the not between operator. The between operator can be negated by using the keyword not before the between operator. Not between allows us to determine whether a value does not occur within a given range of values. The general syntax of the not between operator is select from where not between value 1 and value 2. For example, if we want to find all of the students who are not between the ages of 13 and 18, we would type the query like this. Select name, age, from dependent, where age not between 13 and 18. This statement produces the output of student names whose age is not between 13 and 18. I hope this lesson helps you to understand the method of using different operators in the where clause.